out. Oh my god. Get out. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm pixieraimua, and in this video I'm going to be doing Google Chooses My Makeup. Now, I first originally saw NIKKIETUTORIALS doing this. I think she's the one that actually came up with the challenge, and I've also seen Roxasaurus do it. I just thought I would give it a go. I do have my window open at the moment just because it is so warm in here. If it does get too loud outside, I will close it. Hopefully you can't hear that. You can probably tell something different about me. My hair's no longer grey. So I decided to go quite dark, and I do have some caramel highlights through it. Yeah, my hair was starting to snap at the end, so I had to make the decision to cut it all off. Not cut it all off, to change the colour. So yeah, I've gone dark. I'm in my natural colour. It's actually like a dark blonde. I'm not actually dark like this. I really like it dark, so, and I've had loads of layers put into it just to get rid of all the dead ends, as I didn't want to lose too much off the length. As usual, don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter and Instagram. I'll leave the link just along the bottom here. It's just pixieraimua everywhere, so don't forget to give me a like or a follow. If you do like this video, don't forget to smash that huge thumbs up, and also subscribe down below if you're not already, and press the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I upload. Let's get into the video. So as you can see, I have already done my base and my eyebrow. The only thing I haven't done is my highlighter. Yeah, let's get into it. So I believe what Nikki did, she typed in her initials and put look after, and the first image on Google is what we are going to go with. So let's have a look. So I'm going to use PR, which is obviously Pixie Ray. Right, so here is the first image, and I'll just click on it. So this is the image. I will actually leave the image on the screen as well for you guys, just so you can see it close up. So on the image, we do have some colours, which is good. We've got black, mascara, eyeliner, lashes. So yeah, we've got white, which can be a base colour. Then I've got blue and pink, and a bit of yellow and a bit of orange. So let's have some fun. So normally I have all of my products here already, but obviously with it being a challenge look, I don't. So let's have a look. So for highlighter, I've got a pink toned highlighter. So obviously here you can see that it's pink. So I'm going to go in with the Model Co Baked Highlighter. Now this is just a sample size that I got in my Birchbox, and it's in the colour Froze. Now I think that is how you say it, because it's spelled like rose but with an F in front, so I'm going to go Froze. So this highlighter is actually lovely. I really like this highlighter. It is very pink tone though. I don't know if I would wear it normally. I will do you a close up, but it's got pink, gold and white in it. So obviously in my little picture I've got white and pink as well. So I'm just going to pop the highlighter over where I'd usually put it. So I don't know if you guys can see how blinding this highlighter is. I actually really like this highlighter. I just wish it wasn't quite so pink toned, but obviously for this look it does really work. Okay guys, so we're going to get into the eyes, so I'm just going to zoom you in, and then I guess I need to find a palette. Okay, so obviously in the picture I've got pinks, blues, whites, yellows and oranges. I think I might need the Jaclyn Hill palette for this one. As you can see, I've got the Jaclyn Hill palette. This has got a load of the colours in that I'm going to need. So first of all, I'm just going to go in with this colour here. Obviously it's like a whitish colour. I'm just going to pop that all over the lid just to set. Okay, so I think what I'm going to do is an orange and reddish, an orange and yellowy transition, pink lid, and then a really bright blue pop of colour underneath. Now this could go horribly wrong and it could look awful, but let's go for it. So I'm going to take this colour here, and on my fluffy brush I'm just going to start popping that into the crease. Just as a transition colour. Okay, and then the same fluffy brush, I'm going to take the orange colour now. I've used this orange colour before and I absolutely love it. And I'm going to run that into the crease, and then I'm going to swap brushes and start packing it onto the outer corner. Okay, and I'm actually just going to dip back into the yellow and just buff out the edges here, just so we get a nice even blend. And then on a dense pencil brush, I'm just going to dip back into the orange and start bringing it onto the lid. I think actually while I've got the orange on this brush, I am just going to start running it under the eye, just so when we put the blue on, it does start to like become a more cohesive look and something to blend the blue into. I always pull the funniest faces when I'm doing my under eyes. Okay, and then on my finger I'm going to take the pink colour. I'm just going to pop that onto the inner corner. And then yet again going in with my fluffy brush, using the orange and just blending together here. So now is the bit where it could all go wrong. So I'm going to take the blue and I'm going to run it under my lower lash line. Wish me luck. Back in with my fluffy brush, I'm just going to start blending it with the orange again. And then what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to wet the brush because the blue isn't coming out as pigmented as I hoped. So I thought blend, and then I'm going to wet the brush. Okay, so I've just popped some setting spray onto my brush. I'm just going to try it again. Okay, that worked a bit better. Again, just take the orange on the same fluffy brush and start to blend, just so it doesn't look like we've just glopped a load of blue on there. Because we've made hair look a bit crazy, let's go in with our clean fluffy brush. Okay, and then to make our inner corners pop and our brow bone, I'm going to go in with a white highlighter. Obviously there was white on the photo, so I can, if I can open it, go in with that. So as usual, you knew it'd be coming. Soft as nails highlighter, the white one here, and to pop that under the brow bone. And then on my small brush, highlight the inner corner. Okay, like so. I actually don't think I'm going to do any winged eyeliner. I'm going to pop on some mascara and some lashes and see how I feel. I may tightline. Yes, I'm just going to take a kohl pencil, just tightline. I kind of wish I had a blue eyeliner for this, but unfortunately I've not worn blue eyeliner since I was about 11 years old, so yeah. So I'm just going to pop on a thin coat of mascara. This is the Essence Get Big Lashes Volume Boost Mascara. As there was black on the picture, I am able to obviously use black, so that's why I've done my eyeliner and mascara. I'm also going to do some lashes, and I think I'm going to go quite extra So I'm going to use some of these. Oh my god, these lashes just look ridiculous. Change of plan, because the lash band's so thick here, I'm going to need eyeliner on with these, and I don't want to wear eyeliner. Let me get my other one. Okay, I've just dropped my lashes and I haven't got glasses on, so I really can't see where they've gone. Wow, that was genuinely more difficult than it needed to be. So this is the eyes. So on to the lips. So I'm thinking to tie the pink in, I'm going to go for a nude lip. So I'm going to use Pinky Nude. This is the called Nude Potion. It's the NIKKIETUTORIALS Ofra collaboration. So these are the lips. I kind of like this lip. I'm not sure if it's a bit too pale for me though. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Okay guys, so I really hope you like this look. I don't know, to be honest. I kind of like it all separately. Very glowy, which is always a bonus. I think I quite like the tops of the eyes and the underneath. I'm really not sure on this lip. I think that's the whole thing that's sort of throwing me off a little bit. I don't know if it just washes me out. Let me know in the comments below if you'd wear this look. Would you change anything? Would you remove the blue underneath? Would you change the lip? Would you tone down the glow? Which I hope not. But yeah, I mean, it's okay. It's a really fun challenge because you get to use colours that you probably wouldn't normally put together, and to have more fun instead of just doing the nude, smoky eyes all the time. So yeah, I really enjoyed this challenge actually, and it was fun to be creative and everything did go to plan, but you know, who cares? Who cares? So if you did like this video, don't forget to hit that huge thumbs up down below. Also, if you are liking my videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and just press the notification bell and you'll be notified every time I upload. I am going to do a prom look and a festival look, so they should be coming in the next few videos. Keep an eye out for that, and I'm also continuing with my vlogs. I'm doing a fitness vlog as well, so yeah, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.